So, I'm going to show you the fun way right here, Pedro. You ready? So here's the equation we're going to do. We're going to do number 3, right? You said number 3, Axel? So number 3 was 3x squared minus 8x plus 4 times x squared plus 3x minus 5, like that, right? Is that right? Did I write it correctly? Okay. So, Sabrina asked if she could do it this way, and you can. You can write it like, is that color hard to see? Yeah? No? A little bit? It's hard to see? Alright, so we'll use Chris's favorite color. So Sabrina asked if she could do it this way. And yes, you can. And you will get the right answer. Yeah, why? Doesn't it say 3x squared right there? Huh? Oh yeah, you're right. So then you would distribute like all of this, right? So you get 3x to the 4th plus 9x cubed minus 15x squared minus 8x cubed minus 24x squared plus 40x, oh boy, plus 4x squared plus 12x minus 20, right? And then, man, Pedro, you missed a lot, huh? I don't know why you're not writing this down. I can't wait on. All right, next. 3x to the 4th. Dang it, I gotta stop using that color. So, 3x to the 4th. Right? That's the only x to the 4th. And then you look for the thirds. I have plus 9 and minus 8. Is that it? Are there any others? No? So, 9 minus 8 is plus 1. You could write the 1 if you want, right, Angie? But you don't need to. Okay, so those are done. Now the squareds. I have 1, 2, 3 of them. Negative 15, negative 24, and positive 40. So I'm going to do that as scratch work. So that makes negative 39? Wait, what?
Yes.
Yeah. Plus 40, so that's 1, right? So that's plus x squared. Good so far? Calm down, Paul. You're talking to Steve right now. All right. And then the x's, so you got those two right there. That's what, 52? And then minus 20. You know, it's not that this is hard, but there's so many chances to make a mistake that I don't even know if I got it right. I'm not sure. So what I would do today, Nicole, because I'm going to give you a lot of time for your quiz today, I would actually do it twice. And if I got the same answer both times, then I would be sure I'm right. If I got a different answer, then I would look and see if I could find my mistake. Because I'll give you enough time to do that today. Because I want you guys to have cookies tomorrow. Right, Cassie? Yeah. Yes, sir.
Why do you have 40 if it's not squared?
Oh, it's 4. A la bestia. Oh, man. Thank you, Carlos. Oh, that's just 4. That's what you were saying, Lexi. So it's minus 35. Do you know what I did? Like seriously, I did not do that on purpose, but here's what happened. I saw the 40 and I saw the 4x squared, and then I just switched the numbers in my head. There's no reason. It's just so easy to mess up. I did not do it on purpose. That was an accident. And that's actually why I like doing it the next way. I'm going to show you the same problem the other way. The other way I really like better because I think you'll make different mistakes, but there's less chance to make them. So the other way to do the same exact problem is like this. So it doesn't matter which one's on top, so I'm going to put the first one on top. Okay, so that times, what was it, x squared plus 3x minus 5? Is that right? Yeah? Okay? So it's just like 3-digit multiplication. It's just like multiplying 327 times 514. Same way. You first multiply the 4 times that number, and you write your answer here. Right? And then you put a 0, and you multiply the 1 times that number, and you put your answer there. Right? Then you put 2 zeros, and you multiply the 5 times that number up there. And then you just add them all up. Same exact way. Thing you have to be careful of is the signs. So like, this is negative 20. This one is positive 40x. And it's weird because you're writing from right to left. Normally you write from left to right. Cassie, you were doing this one, right? Because you didn't finish your homework, and so you're gonna write it down and pretend like you did it on your own? Or did you already finish? You don't even know what number we're on? Oh my gosh. Woo! Alright, so we're good there? Because negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. X squared. Good, Carlos? Good, Carlos? Yeah, yeah. Okay, Angie. Put your 0, right? Now 3 times all of that. So that's going to be 12x and a positive, right? Minus 24x squared. Because x times x is x squared. And then x cubed, right? 9x cubed. Good? Yeah? Oh, I should put a plus so it doesn't look so ugly. Okay. Last one. I need to put 2 zeros. Plus, plus. Do you see how I lined them all up? Okay. X squared times 4 is 4x squared. Do you see how it's lined up with the x squared column? That's where it needs to go. So x squared times x is x cubed, so it's going to be negative 8x cubed. And the last one, 3x to the 4th. Then you just add them up. Negative 20. Let's see. Is that 52x? Okay. Oh. See, I wouldn't make my mistake here like I did earlier. That's negative 35x squared. It's weird because you're writing from the right to the left. And then plus 1x cubed and a positive 3x to the 4th. I did it both ways, got the same answer, so I'm pretty sure that's correct. How many of you guys got that? Okay, cool. Jalen, what was your question?
Could you do it right to left? Or?
Yeah, you could do it that way. You could start over here. Yeah. Yes, sir, Carlos. Why did I put another 0? So Carlos wants to know why I put this 0 right here. And the reason I did it is because I'm going to be multiplying by this, right? And so the first number is going to be x squared, and I need it to line up with the x squareds. So I don't want it here because that's no x. That's 1x. Do you see? All right.